Hello students, welcome to virtual classroom. Today we are going to study chapter number 6 to chapter number 10 of your GK. So now let's start. Chapter number 6 is chemistry around us. Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of substances used in our everyday items. Hence we can see chemistry is all around us. Now let's start fill-ups. First, dash kill germs during water purification process. Chlorine. Second, dash is used in making toothpaste. Limestone. Third, dash is coated on kitchenware to make non-sticky surfaces. Silicone. Fourth, dash is a cleaning substance used to dissolve oil or dirt. Detergent. Fifth, dash is formed when a mixture of cement, sand, gravel, water dries. Concrete. Sixth, dash help clean wash basins, floor tiles and metal surfaces. Hydrochloric acid. Seventh, dash is used in the manufacture of soap and cosmetics. Zinc oxide. Eighth, dash is used for killing insects and weeds. Pesticides. Ninth, dash are nitrogenous compounds which are necessary for survival of every living being. Proteins. Tenth, materials that are capable of being molded are called plastics. Next chapter is musical instrument which creates magical sounds. In this, pictures of famous masters of Indian classical music are given and we have to identify the musical instruments they play. Now start. First, Pandit Shiv Kumar Shankar, musical instrument santoor. Second, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, musical instrument flute. Third, Zakir Hussain, musical instrument tabla. Fourth, Bismillah Khan, musical instrument Shehnai. Fifth, Alauddin Khan, musical instrument Sarod. Sixth, Pandit Ravi Shankar, musical instrument sitar. Seventh, Pandit Vishwamohan Bhatt, musical instrument Mohan Veena. And eighth one is Sultan Khan, musical instrument sarangi. Next chapter is human body, one of the most amazing things created by nature. It comprises numbers of systems, processes and functions. Let's understand its system and the functioning. The first system is skeletal system. Skeletal system comprises all the bones and joints of the body. In addition to bones, the human skeletal system consists of a network of tendons, ligaments, and cartilage that connects the bones together. Ligament is a connective tissue which connect two bones or cartilage or joints together, whereas cartilage is a smooth elastic tissue that covers and protects the ends of the long bones at the joints. Skeletal system also provides structural support to the body and protects organs. Our bones also store fats and minerals. Further, blood cells are also produced in bones. The skeleton has two sections, the axial and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton forms the vertical central axis of the human body and includes all the bones of head, neck, chest, and back. It protects the brain, spinal cord, heart, and lungs, whereas the appendicular skeleton is formed of the upper and the lower limb and has 126 bones in total. Interesting fact is first, babies have over 300 bones with age. These bones fuse together, and hence adults have 206 bones. The second interesting fact is clavicle or the collarbone is also called the beauty bone. It is the only bone in the human body that is connected horizontally. Now, next system is digestive system. The digestive system processes the food that we eat and breaks it down into smaller components that the body cells can use. It helps to absorb nutrients and throw out the waste. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. The whole digestive tract is over 9 meters long, starting at the mouth and ending at the anus. Saliva lubricates food as we chew it to help the food pass from the esophagus to stomach. Stomach is a muscular organ which helps the body digest food partially. It receives food from the esophagus. The stomach secretes acid and enzyme that digest the food. The walls of the stomach contract and relax periodically, churning food to further help with digestion. And from here, the food moves to the small intestine for further digestion and absorption of nutrients. The next system is our respiratory system, which is responsible for transporting oxygen to every cell of the human body, and lungs are the primary organ of this system. This system also ensures that carbon dioxide is exhaled out as waste after collecting it from the whole body. The respiratory system comprises of the upper and lower airways. The upper airways include the nose, pharynx, called throat, larynx, and trachea. Trachea is also called windpipe, and lower airways includes the lung, bronchi, and the small airways of the lung, bronchioles. In the end, we have to learn about the largest and smallest bone. The largest bone is the thigh bone called femur. It is about 1/4 of our height, and the smallest bone is called the stapes in the ear. It is 3 millimeter long. Next chapter is chapter number 9, martial art. Martial art is a form of self defense that has a set way of practice. Let's learn about people who contributed to the martial arts significantly. First one is Helio Gracie, founded the art of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu together with his brother, and he received a 10th degree red belt, the highest belt anyone has ever received in the art. Second is Masahiko Kimura, considered the greatest judoka of all time. In 1951, he defeated Helio Gracie in a judo jiu-jitsu submission match in Brazil. Third is Jigoro Kano, was a Japanese educator who was a jiu-jitsu expert. Through his effort in 1964, judo became an Olympic sport. Fourth is Bruce Lee, was one of the most famous martial artists of his time and also called the father of mixed martial arts. Now let's learn the various names of the different styles of martial arts. First is judo, second is karate, third taekwondo, fourth kung fu, fifth Brazilian jiu-jitsu, sixth Muay Thai, seventh Aikido, eighth Jiu-Jitsu, ninth Shaolin Kung Fu. Chapter number 10 is entertainment, in which we have to identify the name of the famous personality. So let's start with it. Part A. First is Hema Malini, second Jaya Bachchan, third Simriti Irani. Part B. First Angelina Jolie, second Jennifer Aniston, third Arijit Singh, fourth Leonardo DiCaprio, fifth Shankar Mahadevan, and sixth A.R. Rahman. Now it's time to say goodbye to everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed it a lot.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time,